In this video, I will show you how to delete your search history on Instagram. I'm Maurizio and I'm part of Staiuto, the first Italian Instagram support team. Instagram creates a search history unlike search engines like the internet based on your searches. I will now show you how to delete this history. Here we are, we're on Instagram. So let's go to the search bar. As you can see, this list of recent searches appears. If I, for example, were to search for Instauto, if I clicked on OK, we would go to the profile. If I were to search something else, you see my search for how to delete has appeared. So this history, by clicking on the X here or say show all, delete all. As you can see, everything has been deleted. Let's go back. If you like this video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel to discover more videos.